YouTube, this Abdel Car Fix. Again, this 17 Nissan Rouge. And I had a video about the heater not working, cold air. And this time we're gonna talk about we have another issue with it. I made a separate video. Other issue with it, that the mode does not change. So everything's coming from the one vent, which is the front vent. Air only comes from those vents. Does not come from the bottom, top, no defroster, nothing. So we found this guy right here does not move at all. We apply power to it, it does not rotate or anything. Okay, we put the new one in and it rotates and everything. So basically this one here is gonna come out with this arm and position on top. It's sitting on top like that. And I'm gonna give you the part number for this one. The part number for this one is this one right here. This is the part number, about 30 bucks at Nissan. You can call Nissan and get it for about $20. So this one, it sits this way. Exactly. Okay, you'll see it. It has a yellow sticker on it. It has a yellow sticker on it here. Okay, and this arm, you cannot take the actuator out. Honestly, I have trouble even getting it out like now. So you cannot take the arm, the actuator, without taking the arm with it. So if you go up here, I'll show you where it goes exactly. It's right here. Yeah, with the light in there. You see where? See, I'm trying to give you a better picture. It's very tight in here to get that actuator. If you look down there, you'll see the other piece of that arm. I'm having trouble with the light, but see that right there? See that red stuff, that arm right there? That's where it hooks up to. It hooks up to that, and then you bolt it with two little screws and you're good to go. You have a harness to hook up, and then that should take care of your mode selector. Again, thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like my videos. I hope it helps somebody. Again, this is the same as the other unit we talked about, which is cold and hot. You have to take the front cover right here, symbol, it pops just right out, and then you don't have to deal with anything else. Once you take the cover in here out, you have access down there to that, which is, again, I'm gonna say this again, sits like that.